Welcome to our tutorial on how to poke back someone on Facebook. With the constant updates and changes to social media platforms, it's important to stay up to date on how to use them effectively. Today we'll walk you through the steps to poke someone back on Facebook. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your phone. You can find the app in your app store and open it to get started. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap the search icon in the top right corner. This will bring up the search bar where you can type in what you're looking for. Step 3. In the search field, type pokes and press enter. This will bring up a list of results related to pokes on Facebook. Step 4. Choose the pokes option from the search results. This will take you to the pokes page where you can see who has poked you. Step 5. On the pokes page, find the person you want to nudge and tap poke back next to their name. This will send a poke back to that person. And there you have it. You've successfully poked someone back on Facebook. Remember to always be respectful and considerate when using social media features like poking. Thanks for watching.